THORChain is the biggest native cross-chain DEX around, but it is not the only one. Maya Protocol is a friendly fork of THORChain, but it does have some design differences and its own coin called CACAO. I've seen feedback on Twitter that buying CACAO can be a little bit difficult to do. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can buy it on. So it'll be on 3 different platforms with 3 different wallets, but with only one seed phrase. Some quick stats on Maya Protocol. If I shift it to the 90-day time frame, it does look like the swap volume is back in an uptrend since the holidays, the swap fees as well, and the total wallets continuously increase. It looks like there was 4,500 new wallets in the last 90 days. The first platform I want to show you is El Dorado DEX, formerly El Dorado DEX. And also for all of these swaps, I'm just going to use Bitcoin swapping into CACAO just to keep things easy. On El Dorado, the first thing I'm going to do is create a wallet for these demonstrations. So if you've never seen that, then I can just do that really quickly. So I'm going to go to connect a wallet and I'm going to hit create wallet. And this is making for me a key store wallet, which is an encrypted file that is going to live locally on my computer. So I'm going to hit create wallet. It's got the seed phrase here. Never ever show anybody your seed phrase in real life. I'm only doing that for this demo. I'm going to burn this afterwards. So copy to clipboard. I'm going to hit next. This password is to encrypt your key store file that has your private key in it. So I'm just going to make up a password real quick. All right, I'm going to hit next and download the file. And I'm just going to name it key store dummy and save it to my desktop. I've got a wallet connected to El Dorado DEX here. I don't have any funds in it because I just created it, but this demo is still gonna apply here. So I wanna swap some Bitcoin for some CACAO. So first thing I need to do is select some Bitcoin over on El Dorado. Done that there. And CACAO is already set by default. So I'm gonna do 0.1 Bitcoin. And then all I would need to do, I'm going to let the slippage stay as it is. And then you would just hit swap. It says balance is less than the input. So it'd give me a prompt and then I would approve the transaction. And then I would have CACAO in my wallet. So if I were to actually click on the wallet button here, you would see that CACAO land here in the wallet. Just getting back to the main page, just so I can show you something here with El Dorado, looking at the fees. If you have 3,333 Dorado token in your wallet, then you don't pay any affiliate fees ever on this platform. And in order to buy those, I think it costs less than 1 Sol right now. If I just put in 1 Solana to buy so I would have more than I would need to never have to worry about paying affiliate fees on this platform. If you don't want to buy the Dorado, the affiliate fee is 88 basis points or 0.88%. And I just got that by going to my infobot over on Twitter. Next up, we have CACAO Swap. So first thing I want to do here as well is connect a wallet. I could just use the key store file. And actually, let's just go ahead and do that. And then it needs the file on my computer to be uploaded. So I'm going to hit this button, key store dummy. I'm going to select that and then hit open. And then I have to put in the password so that this can decrypt this file. And it's selected all the different chains that are supported here. And I'm going to hit connect. And now I've got that same wallet connected over here on CACAO Swap. So really simply, if you wanted to swap, again, you could do Rune into CACAO, or if you wanted to do Bitcoin, like I said, just to keep things consistent, you can come over in here and do 0.1 Bitcoin for some CACAO. And again, I don't have any funds in this wallet, certainly not $10,000 to show you here, but all you would do is hit review swap, approve the transactions, and then you are good to go there. CACAO Swap does have its own token to earn staking revenue, but with their token, I couldn't find that you got any discounts if you held it on the actual platform, and their affiliate fee is 44 basis points or 0.44%, so half of El Dorado. But with El Dorado, you can hold the Dorado token and you can just have this fee completely waived, but just so you're aware of the different fees. The third platform is called AsgardX, and this is actually a desktop app that lives on your computer, and within the desktop app, we're gonna be able to do the swap. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. There's a trick to downloading this, at least it happens on my Mac, so I wanted to show you that process of downloading it. So I'm gonna hit download now, and I'm on a Mac, so I'm gonna hit download, save it to my desktop. Download is complete, so I'm just going to open this up, drag it into the folder. All right, I'm going into my applications to try to open this up. So double clicking, it's giving me this box here, verifying AsgardX. And it gave me this error, AsgardX not open. Apple could not verify AsgardX is free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy. So I think that's just because it's not a verified developer or something like this, but it is a trusted app in the THORChain ecosystem, and I don't want to move it to the trash. So if I do still want to download this anyways, you just hit done on here. And then at least for me on my Mac, if I go to privacy and settings, scroll down, I've got AsgardX was blocked to protect your Mac. I'm going to hit open anyway. Again, it's giving me another scare here. I'm going to say open anyway. And generally these warnings are probably a really good thing to have on Mac, not mad at it at all. Okay, so I let the download through, so I'm gonna try to reopen the app. And there we go. First thing I wanna do is I wanna turn it to dark mode. And you've got some different options here. Firstly, I just downloaded this on the computer, so there's no wallet here. So what I'm gonna do, you could either create a new wallet if you wanted to, or you could import a wallet, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna import the seed phrase from the key store file that we did at the beginning. So I'm gonna hit import. It's got select a key store file. So I'm actually just going to do that instead of importing the seed phrase. If you wanted to, you could come to this phrase tab though, enter the phrase, create a password, and you're good there. But I'm just going to go with a key store file. So again, just grabbing it from my desktop, entering the password, naming it dummy wallet, and import. Brand new wallet, obviously with nothing in it again. But if you wanted to get CACAO from here, you click over onto the swap tab. And unfortunately, I don't think AsgardX even does quotes, so I can't even get it to register anything if I wanted to as what a swap would look like. But if you had Bitcoin in here, you would go and select that you wanted to swap it for a CACAO. In this example, you would put in the Bitcoin amount and then you would do the swap, just like you would with any of the other platforms. In terms of fees, AsgardX charges 30 basis points or 0.3%. That's going to be it for this one. Hopefully you got some value out of it, saw some different platforms maybe you're not used to, and maybe if you've never used Keystore before, maybe look into that. It's actually a pretty cool feature. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.